Hello, my name is Heather Cantley and I am the Digit Diva. You may be asking yourself, who and what is the Digit Diva? Well, let me begin by telling you a little bit about myself. Again, my name is Heather Cantley and I have been teaching 8th grade math for the past 14 years. I always enjoyed math as a student and I still do as an adult today. A few years ago, I enrolled in a college close to my hometown, Concord University, and I'm happy to tell you that I just received my accounting degree. A few months ago, I became interested in financial advising, and I'm currently in the process of receiving my securities industry licenses. So, with all that being said, I really do have a passion for numbers. Now, what is the Digit Diva? The Digit Diva is the platform that I will be using to reach struggling learners or perhaps those who just want to freshen up their algebra skills. The tutorial lessons that I will be teaching cover all the essential skills needed in any pre-algebra class. They also lay the foundation for success in your Algebra 1 course. Thank you for choosing me to be the resource you need to find success in your pre-algebra and Algebra 1 classes. See you in the classroom.